The worker from BeeCraft Landscape in Sydney have great skill and plans to do their job successfully. When painting a wall, it's better to start by painting the edges. This way you can quickly paint the center without getting them dirty. A pressure washer gets all the dirt cleaned more thoroughly and with less effort. A pressure washer with 3 GPM and 3000 SL is ideal for cleaning walkways. Stone carpet is a heavy-duty resin compound that can be used on both internal and external surfaces. Instead of using a form, this worker does the shape himself first. He pours the concrete and then uses a bent trowel to create a clean edge. After making sure the shape is flawless, he takes off all the excess material. Jared Davies loves reclaiming wood that might otherwise be thrown away and giving it a new life. He works with wood and epoxy to make what he calls ocean tables. Screeding is the process of cutting off excess wet concrete to bring the top surface of a slab to the proper grade and smoothness, which he adds slowly until he gets the right consistency. This tool removes all the excess atrial so that you can clean the roller. Large tiles need to have a thick layer of mortar to make sure they are completely attached. You can use paint sprayers to complete some jobs much more quickly than other methods. With all frames and outlets severed, this worker does a perfect job in no time. Cleaning Converse shoes is a complicated job, as they are made of different materials. Different cleaning techniques need to be used for the rubber and the canvas. This worker knows it, so he uses all the required to leave these shoes completely clean. Pebble Tech is a new and popular finishing material for pool resurfacing and new pool construction. While it is more expensive than plaster, it is considered the highest quality pool resurfacing material available. Professional installers usually wet the installation to apply vinyl on car windows, as it's one of the most efficient and fastest methods. Window tinting blocks up to 97% of the infrared light that is emitted by the sun. A fiber disc can smooth out the welded bits to leave them flat and shiny. Once the hole is made on a golf court, a tube is inserted. It will prevent grass from growing inside it. The paint also has antifungal properties so that no fungus can grow there. This garden from Sydney, Australia, shows great skill tidying up this lawn. He uses a string trimmer for the edges, a leaf blower to clear the area, and a lawnmower for trimmer. Experienced and skilled workers can make the job look easy, but you need a lot of practice to get to the level of this worker. With a bit of pressure to control the nozzle, the adhesive gets perfectly applied. An easy way of renewing your bathroom floor without removing the old tiles is applying self-leveling grout to smooth the floor here. Simon uses a flat-top trowel to spread it this way. He gets the entire floor well covered, making sure no corner is left bare. To perfectly cover a chestnut truffle into edible gold leaf, this chef uses water's surface tension. Ceramic glaze is an impervious layer or coating of a vitreous substance fused to a pottery body through firing. Even though we live in a world of technology and digitalization, some industries like leatherwork still use some of the most traditional artisan techniques. Mozafer is a Russian brand that makes personalized leather products. They only genuine leather and all the articles are hand-stitched.